Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to the English class. Today we have English class number 3. I hope you are okay and try to stay positive in your houses. And I wish you the best, actually. And this class is for you. As every class, remember that there is no need on printing this presentation, so don't print the PowerPoint. And let's go. Okay, remember to wash your hands every time you are eating or you are talking to someone. It's the best way you can take care of your family. So for today's week, I have 2 activities. As you can see, we're going to have a reading comprehension week, and the objectives for this week are the following. We have to identify general and specific information to sequence events. And number 2, we're going to identify specific information to show reading comprehension. So it means the following. It means that we are going to work in the page 21 of the book with a story. And for the first part of the class, I want to use the mind habit of predict. We're going to make predictions about the story to see what is the story about. And look at this. I have a question for you. What do you think is the story about? Is the story about animals in Africa? Is the story about an astronaut in the space? Or is the story about 2 children in the park? What do you think? Animals in Africa, an astronaut in the space, or 2 children in the park? Let's think. Think for 1 minute. Okay, once you have thought about the story, I want you to go to page 21, or you can observe the story here in this picture, actually. That is the story that we are going to use. It is called A Perfect Park Day. And look at this, boys and girls. You have the listening icon, and you have to press the icon, and you will be able to listen to the story. So I want you to listen to the story and to read the story in your house, okay? So let's do that now. Very good. So I have a question for you. Was the story similar to your predictions? Yes or no? To answer that, I have some questions for you. Were the children in the park? Did the children do actions you like doing? Think about that. Think about number 1. Were the children in the park? Yes, they were in the park. Excellent. Your predictions were similar to the story. And did the children do actions you like doing? For example, riding a bike or playing soccer, having a picnic, playing with insects. Did the children do activities you like doing? Excellent. Now, I want you to work in your worksheet. Look at this. The worksheet is next to the presentation. And you have to order from 1 to 8 the information from the story. Look at this. You have to read the sentences, these sentences, and look for the information in the story. And I'm going to help you to do that. I'm going to read the sentences so you know what information you have to look in the story. You have to read the story one more time. So, number 1, Nick rides his bicycle. Number 2, Anna wakes up in her bedroom. The next one, Anna, today is the perfect day to go to the park. The children get into the car. The butterfly stops on Anna's nose. Mom and Dad make breakfast. The children fall asleep. And it is a sunny day. Read the story one more time and you will look the correct answers for this activity. In page 23. Next activity, also in page 23. In the worksheet, decide if the sentences are true or false according to the story. Write a T if it is true, or write an F if it is false. Decide if it is true or false, the information. Number 1, Nick and Anna are going to the school. True or false? Today is sunny. Is that true or false? Number 3, Anna plays with a friend. True or false? The family goes home by bus. They use a bus or a car. Is that true or false? You have to answer the correct question. Now we have the last activity about the reading and includes vocabulary about places, people, and action. In this part of the presentation, in this part, look at this. I have some pictures with some words written on it. This information will help you to complete the next activity. So, number 1, we have wake up. Number 2, get dressed. Number 3, bedroom. Number 4, ride. Number 5, we have children. Number 6, we have play. And number 7, we have tell, to tell someone. Look at the pictures, make the connections, because we are going to use the words in the next activity. And the next activity is the following. Look at this. Read the story one more time, or look at the word bank, this word bank in this part, in red, that word bank. Oh, I'm so sorry. Look at the word bank. And you will have to classify or draw, you will have to classify the words, or you can also draw the words that fit in each one of the sections. For example, from these words, which one is a place, which one are people, and which one are actions. You have to classify the words. You can write the words, or you can draw the words if you want, but you have to put them into the correct category. The words are wake up, get dressed, Nick, bedroom, Anna, park, ride, children, play, mom, listen, dad, and tell. Very good. And that was today's class, boys and girls. I hope you have enjoyed the class. It was a very, very good class. Thank you for watching the video and see you next class. Have a nice week. Bye bye.